everyone, we're here for new vlogs because it's
Vlogmas!
So throughout December we're going to vlog all our activities and all the fun we do for Christmas. So this is our week 1 vlog and we're going to show you how we decorate our house, which goes over lots and lots of days. And then at the end of our vlog this week, someone was singing at the Poulton Fylde Christmas light switch on. So we thought we'd take you all along and enjoy. So hope you enjoy the vlog. So we're going to get them 4 sets of lights now. That tree, and that tree around there. So 2 sets to go up on here. Oh joy. So the lights are on that tree, but midway through getting ready to do the next set, Lindsay decides she wants to get rid of all the trees and all the bushes underneath, so we've been chainsawing. That's the 3rd ton bag that's been filled, so we're now on clean up as opposed to decorate. Well done, Linz. So we're now on wrapping these trees, so we go around the bark and then we take all the different twigs around the edges. Not twigs, are they, but Lindsay's going around the first one. How you doing, Linz?
What?
Getting there, aren't we? 1 tree. Oh well, 2 trees to be fair. That one's done too. 3rd tree nearly done. Although I've got to redo the bottom.
Well, it's finally done. Well, these ones are, and this one. But it's looking good. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas in November. Oh my goodness. It looks amazing!
Just 2 more sets to do.
Oh my goodness. Wow, wow, wow.
I think we should do that tree and that tree.
Hell yeah.
Down below.
Yeah, I mean, what electricity,
You only allowed one for half an hour a night.
half an hour a night.
Yeah.
It looks so good.
So we've just been to get Sienna. What does it look like, CC?
Whoa!
Has Elsa been? Yeah. What did Elsa do? Did she go like that, CC? Does it look good?
Yeah, I think that's helped Elsa get it a little bit higher.
Oh.
Up in the attic, Daddy is getting all the Christmas stuff down.
I'm contemplating living up here.
Rude. I'm so excited for Christmas. Lights are on. Woohoo! So Daddy's starting to build the Disney train track. And
So
we've
it's
got
the one from Walt Disney World, which is the replica of the Magic Kingdom train, which, seeing as we didn't get to ride it, it's nice that we've got it here this year.
At least we've got it at home.
So all the Disney decks are out. These are all the ones we've collected over many, many years from the parks.
It's like 10 years, maybe more.
You can see Epcot and all the princesses that the girls have conned me out of over the years, and Minions and the Grinch and lots of fun ones, ears.
These are some of my
then this year's, so obviously from February, we got a Universal sign and Harry Potter. And then from California, we got a Cars Land and this beautiful one.
This is the playing park.
And then from Walt Disney World, we got a 50th anniversary.
We got the
and we had to get a Skyliner. So we got Ratatouille as well, because obviously it was one of our new favourite rides. Happy?
Happy.
Get them on the tree.
This is one of my favourites because in the little bag is Grogu. It's so detailed.
So first tree's up, but we're not happy with it. So it's coming down and going back. It looks like we're going back to the classic that we've had for about 15 years. But that tree was supposed to be double the width. So Lindsay's not happy. So second day of living room Christmas tree, and everything's on the floor because Lindsay has taken the old one down and sent it back. And the traditional tree that we've had for 15 years, Linz? 16 years maybe?
I want to say it was in our house before we bought the house.
Not this house, the old house, which we lived in for 10 years.
Yeah.
And I think this is our 6th Christmas here, so I think it's 16 years.
Old.
Yeah, the old faithful is back up. So
I just put it on a little table to give it a bit of height.
yeah, well done. That's good. Right, get your baubles on, girls.
Baubles?
Ornaments. Get Magic Kingdom on.
Can I just say how cool is the Baymax?
Very.
Never gets old. And it's hand painted.
Get your hands on that tree and put them ornaments on.
Ta-da!
So one tree successfully done. Completely theme parkified. Because we've got Universal on there as well, and Tinkerbell on the top. Obviously we showed them before. Happy, Lens?
Yeah, mega happy.
Stick to what you know in the future. Right, next day, next tree.
See you tomorrow.
Tree number 2. And here we go.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! We just built it.
I feel like some of the branches feel like real.
So last year we did have a real tree in this room. So it's a really big room. We had it right over there in the bifold windows.
Because we had the dinner in the gym /
Dining room, yeah.
But because it's like not a room that's really done. But we had the table in there then, and we had like some more seats and made it a bit longer. But we didn't feel like it didn't feel right.
So this year we were having dinner back over here in the kitchen. So we're all together and there's no one sat in there while others are preparing dinner. And so we're going for a skinny tree just there this year. But we still like it. Once we've got some lights and decorations on it, it'll be good.
So Mummy's putting the lights on. And the Christmas at the Hackett sign. Cute. There goes the star. looks so different with the tree back. We're just enjoying the Wickford and Co. gingerbread. Take a smell. It literally smells awful.
So, another day, and we've decided this year to put an arch around the house, around the front door. Just been to Home Bargains. We'll see what this one looks like. So that's the first little bit done when it all ruffles out. What do you think, Sienna? Do you like it? Yeah. Think it's good? Yeah. So Sienna had one of the chocolate eggs from Home Bargains, but she decided to use it as soap. You're silly, aren't you?
Yeah.
What are you doing now?
I'm
Why are you getting in there?
still be a bathroom.
See you later. Oh, I'll pass. Oh, hey, go on then, you get. Absolute nut job. See you later. That's it, just break the box. Bye. What's going on in this parcel? It's a very strange parcel. Is there anything in there? Hello? Ah! Ah! So it's in 6 parts. So there's 4 of them up on the stands. It's like 2 little trees. And I think they just connect in the middle. And you got your Mickey Mouse on the door, haven't you? Chocolate face. So it's built. Just needs fluffing out and evening out a little bit. Connected it in the middle of the door frame. Just needs the woman's touch now to fill it out, make it look all nice. Get some baubles on and get it lit up. So all done on that one. Took a full set of lights out to find that there was a big knot in the middle, and then it was snapped as well, so it looked like they'd already been opened, so I have to go back. Fortunately we had some more. So quite pleased with that, it looks nice. I'll come out and show you again in the dark. Girls have just got home.
Whoa!
Like it?
It looks so cool.
It's alright, isn't it?
And then
Someone likes it. How's that look, Ron?
Oh my goodness!
Look alright.
Yeah, it looks beautiful.
it looks
Oh, it looks nice, doesn't it?
Tattletale.
Okay, girls, come out and have a look. What do you think?
Wow.
Is it good?
Looks amazing.
Now moved on to doing Scarlett's room. So tree's done, 1,000 lights on. We've found the biggest star we can find, which is probably bigger than Scarlett's head.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
That's cute, isn't it?
I thought I'd get dressed up for the occasion and wear pink. No, I'm not. I've been to a party.
Who's been?
Whoa!
Sienna, who's been? Scarlett? Who's here? Who's here?
I'm a gift from the North Pole to give you in the North. Remember, to always make love.
It's the elf on the shelf.
Wow!
Happy kid?
Yeah!
So this year, the girls have got their advent calendars with the treats in like this. We got last year for them. And then they've got 2 fun ones to share, which is is it a fidget one?
And fidget, and then
You've got Harry Potter Lego for Christmas.
Wow!
Look good?
Yeah!
And then obviously these 2 naughty 2 are gonna no doubt cause some disruption.
Probably wreck the house. For the shelf.
You got to find number 1. What's in there?
Marty!
Wow, you got some sweeties for your breakfast.
You get more?
So Sienna's opened number 1 on the Lego. What you got, Cece?
Lego.
Wow,
I got a
and
Moochie.
Scarlett's got a Moochie.
It's a hedgehog, look.
Oh yeah,
A hedgehog.
Moochie, honey. Any idea what a Moochie is?
A mochi.
Hello everyone, so a bit of a strange one tonight. We're in Poulton, Fylde, for the light switch on, and our little superstar's going to be singing. Hi superstar, what are we doing here?
I'm just doing the Poulton light switch on and I'm singing 3 songs.
Oh, we're looking forward to it.
And
Lots of people here to watch you.
In the audience. Yes. So Scarlett Hackett fans, we have Scarlett. She's only age 10. She's in year 6. Apple Pop Idol winner. When she sang for the Queen's Jubilee on the comedy carpet in front of thousands of people. It's an absolute pleasure to have Scarlett here, and we're all going to cheer as she comes on the stage right now. Please give a huge cheer, please, to Scarlett.
the first song I'm singing today is called When Christmas Comes to Town from the Polar Express. I'm wishing on a star and trying to believe that even though it's far, he'll find me Christmas. I think of him when Christmas comes to town. Putting up the Christmas tree with friends who come around. It's so much fun when Christmas comes to town. I will be singing in Frozen Junior, and it's called The First Time in Forever. The window is open, so's that door. I didn't know they did that anymore. Who knew we owned 8,000 salad plates? For the first time in forever, there'll be music, there'll be light. In that song, 'cause for the first time in forever, I won't be alone. No stranger tall and fair, I wanna stuff some chocolate in my face. For the first time in forever, I'm getting what I'm dreaming of. Is a song that I've been singing quite recently lately, and it's from Frozen 2, which is sung by Elsa, and it's called Into the Unknown. I can hear you, but I won't. Some look for trouble, while others don't. You're not a voice, you're just a ringing in my ear. And if I heard you, everyone I've ever loved is here within these walls. I'm sorry, secret siren, but I'm blocking out your calls. Into the unknown, into the unknown, into the unknown.
So that's the end of our first Vlogmas. Hope you've enjoyed. Wasn't Scarlett amazing at her singing? So we've got, as we said earlier, we've got a vlog going out every week with lots and lots of different things. So please do link in again next week. Scarlett, anything you need to say?
Make sure you like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell, and comment down below how long it takes you to decorate your house for Christmas.
Good one.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.